Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm a little late on this trend and I hope you're not too sick of seeing latte makeup, but I want to try it for myself today. I really haven't had a lot of time to experiment with my makeup at all. I feel like I haven't done anything new. I've just been pretty busy and just trying to get my everyday makeup done, and then I'm out the door. So today I want to sit down and experiment a little bit and actually try the latte makeup for myself. So just in general, I feel like this is such a pretty makeup look, and I also feel like it's something that I would just wear in general. So I think it'd be fun today, for myself, to try to kind of figure out how to do it so that I can actually wear it. So we're gonna try that today. I don't really have a plan, but we're gonna see. So let's go ahead and get started. Start with just a little bit of tinted moisturizer. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh one. I've just been trying to get rid of this, honestly. Just trying to get rid of some of my base products that are older and that I've had for a really long time. So this is one of them. It's to the point where it's old enough where it might kind of be expired or be getting really old, but still does the job, and it's a really pretty foundation. It's also one of the only bases I feel like that actually matches me pretty well right now. So we're gonna do that for a little bit of a base. I don't feel like I need too much coverage today. And I'm taking the Sephora Pro 56 brush. Love these brushes. And I've been liking kind of warming this up on my hand first, and dipping my brush in and really getting it into the bristles first, really dabbing it, and then kind of just brushing it on. I feel like it disperses a lot better, looks a lot more natural when you do this. You don't get any kind of lines of product or anything. It just looks really nice and airbrushed. So I love using the warmth of my hands and my fingers to make everything a little bit more natural. Look how pretty that is. It has quite a bit of coverage, honestly. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of concealer. I really don't feel like I need much, but this concealer is beautiful. It's the Born This Way from Too Faced Ethereal Light concealer. Just kind of brightening up under my eyes. I'm trying to do put less concealer right under my eyes. I feel like I have to put a little bit, but I'm trying to focus most of the product a little bit lower. Well, for one, to kind of cover this, my dark circle there and the line there, and for two, if I put too much product right under my eyes, I have a lot of little fine lines under my eyes, so I get pretty creasy. So I try to do less product there. And then right here, I guess I just have a little bit. I had a couple little breakouts here, and they're just little dark marks right now. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more coverage there. And then around my nose just a little bit. Just pinpointing some areas. Then I'm going to use my Merit brush and use the Tower 28 Sculptino bronzer in Broad and do quite a bit of this. I feel like this look is mostly browns and bronzer. So I don't think I'll do a blush probably. So this will kind of be what's mostly on my cheeks. I'm gonna go over the nose too and bronze up the hairline. I feel like in the pan, this is the same amount of coolness as my NARS one, but on the skin, it looks warmer. And then just a little bit along my jawline. I'm gonna powder with the just Glossier powder. I have this in G8 to G10, and just do under my eyes, my eyelids to kind of set in everything, and then my forehead has been getting pretty like greasy throughout the day, so down in the G-zone. And I'm going to take this for a 96 brush and the Hoola bronzer, which I haven't used in a really long time, and it is a little bit cooler than this bronzer I have on, so just kind of making it a little bit cooler, but basically just setting the bronzer. You know what I haven't used in so long? This Anastasia Brow Freeze. So let's use that today. I have the Anastasia brush, little spoolie. I think this is like the 9B. I don't know, it's all rubbed off. And taking that, rub it kind of into the top of the lid, just so there's not like too much product on there. And then push up the brows. Try to not get it anywhere but in the brows, because I already did like my base and I don't want to mess it up. Oh, I haven't had like this slicked up of eyebrows in a while. I kind of like bent it back to be straight, and I'm going to take the side that doesn't have product on it and then just go along the top. I don't like when it like looks a little too crazy. I'm just kind of placing them where I want. That's pretty though. I feel like I have so many different options that would work for the eyes, and just kind of like the brownie tone eye look, but I think I like the Sable color in the Lorac Pro Palette, which is like such an oldie. But like even if you have like the Naked palette, another oldie, like I mean any of these work. Like I really feel like it's one of those looks that probably everyone has a color for it in their collection. Even like this Revlon So Fierce palette in Tantrum, like these would be really pretty, more cool tone. And those are a little bit shimmery too if you want to do more shimmer. But I'm going to try to stay more matte. I'm going to take Taupe in here first. It's like a true taupe color. And put that all over the lid. I'm using my Sephora Pro 27 brush. Okay, so I just put that all over the lid, up like in my crease, so that when my eyes are open, you can kind of still see it like on my brow bone here. And then under the eyes too. So nice like brownie wash of color throughout the entire eye. And then I'm gonna go into Sable, which is just like a darker version, I would say, of the taupe. Maybe a little bit warmer than the taupe. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. Whatever's left over on the brush under my eyes. So nice smoky eye. I feel like this is not like, I mean really I feel like all the latte makeup is just like brownish eyeshadow on the eyes. Like it's not anything crazy. And then this is just a Morphe little blending brush. I'm just gonna blend out the edges a little bit. I like that a lot. Pretty. Curl the lashes. I think I am gonna try the Fenty Beauty mascara today. In my last video I mentioned that I had it, but I had the Anastasia one to try, and I really love the Anastasia one. I've been wearing that every single day. I haven't heard great things about this Fenty Beauty one, but I am not like going anywhere or anything, so if it flakes or transfers, like, it's not a really big deal, but I still want to try it. So I'm going to try this today. Hella Thicc Volumizing Mascara. Real thick, real quick for an instant full lash effect. I think pretty much the bad things I heard about this is that it like flakes throughout the day on you and transfers and stuff. I don't feel like any of the comments that I heard was that like it looked bad or was clumpy or anything. I think it's just that it moves and flakes throughout the day. Wow, I really got a lot of mascara on my eyelid. I mean, so far it's not, like, it looks pretty good on the lashes. It's not like my favorite look, but it's really not bad. Definitely more volumizing, and it has one of those brushes that your lashes kind of stick together. Wow, those are sticking together a lot on this side. Just because the wand doesn't like have a separating effect, so it doesn't really separate your lashes at all. It kind of just applies like a big thick layer of mascara over your lashes. Not bad, but I mean, definitely puts a lot of product on. Like, my lashes look very thick and long now. It's a very like wet mascara. I think that's kind of why I got a lot on my eyelid, is like it's very thick and wet. My lashes don't look like my favorite they ever have, but it's not bad. So far, so good. I mean, it's fine. Not my favorite, but it's fine. But like I said, all of the like negative things I heard was about how it wears. So we'll have to see how it wears throughout the day. I think because I'm more like brownie and taupey and cool toned, that I'm going to try this Endless Cacao lip pencil. I guess it's more like a artist color pencil. I think you could just use it anywhere. I've used it on my eyes as well. Usually I think this is a little too cool for me. Like, I feel a little dead in it, but I also feel like that's like, it'll go with this vibe. So I'm thinking it might work this time. See? I'm gonna take this little NARS Afterglow lip balm, I think it is, in Laguna. Ooh, that's pretty. Try to warm it up a little bit. Brought a little bit more brown and warmth to my lips. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit more bronzer. Just using the Hoola bronzer again. Okay, I think that's it. I'm not gonna add any like highlight or anything. I kind of like a little bit. I mean, the skin looks decently like healthy and glowy, but I don't really want to add a lot of like shimmer and stuff. I like more of like this matte look. I guess the lips are glossy, but I think I like that a lot. Like, this is really pretty. And like I said, so many options. You could go a little bit warmer than this and do more of a warmer brown, or this is more of like a cooler or taupier brown, but this is really pretty. So that is kind of my take on the latte makeup. That was kind of fun to do a little trend, try it for myself and experiment a little bit. Definitely let me know what you think in the comments, and if you've tried this trend yourself, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.